All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2018 Dodge Challenger. It is this beautiful silver with black cloth interior, premium sound systems, thermal controls, got backup camera, alloy wheels, super nice. Only 20,000 miles in this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Does have a chip right here. Boom, has been touched up. Has another one here in the corner. Boom, that's also been touched up. The rest of it looks pretty good. The hood looks good. The fender looks pretty good. Here's your your front driver's rim. Very nice NLC curbing here. Let's check out your tire thread. Just under 730 seconds. This door looks pretty good. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice NLC curbing. And your tire thread is just under 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Likewise on your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one either. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. Here's a push start system. Does come with the one key fob combo and owner's manual. Still wrapped up in this package. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player on it and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. Dual AC controls. You got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. See no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 20,240. Looks good. Very nice in here. Keeping it moving, open up the trunk. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Rear deck lid looks good. Got a nice little spoiler. Here's a nice shot of the interior. Looks good. Here's your spare tire with some tools, and I did tuck away your owner's manuals right back there. Trunk space pretty big and spacious for a two-door. This quarter looks pretty good. Is your rear passenger rim. Very nice. NLC curbing to this, and your tire thread is just under 730 seconds. A little ding here. Some paint off, just a little ding. This door looks pretty good. It's got a little chippy there. Two really, one back to back. It's probably from doors. Here's the front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. NLC curbing. Your tire thread is just under 730 seconds. Lights are working. Everything is on. Things are beautiful, folks. Once again, a beautiful 2018 Dodge Challenger. It is with 20,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.